We're going to start out with sprouting seeds. Now I know when you look on the internet at all those suppliers and seeds, you're overwhelmed. Just don't be. Just relax. You know, find one of the older suppliers. Go with them. They're better established and therefore probably better to come through for you. So get an older established supplier and then pick a strain, one that you've heard. You know, we'll get into that at a later show maybe, but right now, just pick a strain that you've heard the name of, Afghani, Cincy Star. And then get a saucer from your kitchen. Oh, sorry, some of your seeds might come with instructions, and if they do, you know, you can follow those. Otherwise, I'm just going to give you a few tips here. Get a saucer from your kitchen. Get like 3 paper towels, fold them up together, fold them in half and fold them in half again, and then pour about 1/4 cup of water on them until it's all absorbed in the paper towel. Now some people like to soak their seeds before they do this, and you can certainly do that. I don't really. I put quite a little bit of water on here, so I don't worry about it. I think it's plenty well wet. So anyhow, just take your seeds and put them in the middle. Here, spread them out a little bit, and then just cover it up. Pick a kind of warm spot. You don't want it real cold, it'll take too long. But in anywhere from 3 to 14 days, your seeds will sprout. And then take them and put them in a, you know, whatever your medium is going to be, soil, rock wool, whatever, hydroponics, you know, aeroponics, whatever. You just place them in your medium, and you'll be good to go.